guys, welcome to Munich Tour Tips TV. Alan here, and today I'm going to take you through the Werksviertel, which is an area of Munich that a lot of tourists don't often get to see. Remember guys, if you like these videos, just gently tap on the subscribe button and the notification bell and you won't miss any of the tours and the information that I'll be putting up on the channel. So today we're over at the East Station, which is one of the mainline stations here in Munich, in what was traditionally the old industrial part of the city. And what's happening over in this area today is that a new area is being built. It's like a new city within a city, if you like, and it's very much seen as being the future of Munich, this little area that we're going to see today, the Werksviertel. This area, guys, used to be Europe's biggest party mile. There were around 30 discos, bars, gambling halls and workshops housed in the former Fanini factory halls. Not a single weekend went by without people dancing the night away at legendary bars like Milch Bar, Harry Klein and K41. At the moment the area is in a stage of transition, and artists have been given a license here to express themselves, as you can see with the magnificent graffiti artwork that you can see on the buildings here. So the area is very much in an evolutionary phase at the moment. The area is set to welcome the addition of 1,500 new flats and offices, including loft apartments, and around 7,000 jobs will be created in the area as well. And these will be joined by hotels, shops, there'll be a school and daycare centres, and the Bavarian Radio Symphony Orchestra is looking to develop a new concert hall in the heart of the district. The centre of the district is Werk 3, an orange building with distinctive lettering, located on Atelierstraße 10. The name of the building translates as Factory 3 and is reminiscent of times gone by. As I say, this was very much an industrial area historically. There was also a slaughterhouse in the area here historically, so you can see it's very much an amalgamation of different phases. And it's going to be really exciting to see what the place looks like when it's completely finished. Just like with the main station where I'm doing regular updates on the development work, guys, I'll be doing the same over here in the Werksviertel. Regular visits so that you can see how things are developing over time. But for something a little bit different and original to do when you come to the city, it's worth popping over here. As I say, it's München Ostbahnhof, or East Station, is the location of where this area is. So guys, thanks ever so much for watching the video. I'll look forward to seeing you in Munich. Take care now.